channel and welcome to the review of this brand new Audi A7. As you can see, it looks very stylish and aggressive. We have this massive single frame front grille, the new laser lights. You can see a bunch of sensors and radars because this car has up to 39 safety assistance systems. Now we are coming to my favorite part of the car, which is the back. Look at this. These taillights, don't they look great? So futuristic. I know some of you will maybe disagree, but I think they look really good and elegant, especially during the night. Also, when you open the car, they do this. So, nice illumination. So let's take a look at the interior. You are greeted by 3 screens. 2 screens here and the digital cockpit. So let's jump inside. I will close the door. So here we are. I will start the car up. As you can see, this is the digital cluster that I think Audi makes actually by far the best digital instruments on the market. You can change pretty much everything here. You choose whether you want radio, car information. I prefer this. So navigation and of course the speedo. Very lovely steering wheel. You also have this voice control, which is actually very good. So let's say I'm hot, I want to turn down the temperature and I don't want to touch this, I will just drive. So lower the temperature to 22.
I'll lower the temperature to 22.0.
So cool, right? And let's say I want the air to blow more, so put the air blower to 4.
Okay, I'm setting the blower function to level 4.
So cool. So basically, by this you can control a lot of things. Steering wheel, very nice. Look at this, just like the single frame grille that you have on the front. Of course you have this gearbox. Very nice. Materials are high quality as you would expect. And look at this. So this is the main screen. You can choose everything here. You have car, Audi Drive Select. So now it's in dynamic, but if you want comfort, you can put it in comfort mode, efficiency mode, and individual, where you choose everything. Also, this car has crazy ambient lighting. You can choose any color you want. It's really nice. So I think it's somewhere here. Wait, I'll see it. Well, I will find it and let you know. And the cool thing about navigation, you can type it here. So let's say I want to go, I don't know, to Split.
S P L I T.
So, and it found it. So very cool. Great job. Really makes the living easier. So this is the key. And this is the place where you want to spend a lot of hours. So a lot of you will ask, how is it in the back? And I will show you now. I'm pretty tall, I'm 1.87 m, and as you can see, I was on the driving position and adjusted the seat for me, and look at this, a bunch of space for my legs and also for my head. So very good job, Audi. Another cool feature that this car has is the 4-wheel steering. It is optional, and it actually means that if you drive below 60 kilometers an hour, these wheels will turn on the opposite direction of the front wheels, which will make parking and maneuvers in the city pretty much easier. And on the other end, if you go more than 60 kilometers per hour, wheels will turn on the same direction as the front wheels, which will enable you to drive faster and go through corners with much higher speed. Okay, so now we are in garage so that you can see this ambient lighting inside. It's very cool. You actually go to lights and vision, background lighting, and now here, look at this. So you actually choose between different. I will put these lights off. Wait a second. So now you see it much better. So whether you want, okay, we will put the brightness to maximum, and now we go to individual. So you can choose which surface do you want. See this? You can choose different color for this surface. Very, very cool. So now we have blue lights, but of course you can choose red ones. You can choose this, I don't know what, sort of white, yellow. You have this also blue, white. Very, very cool. Of course we'll put brightness. I think this, wait, so I think this, my team blue, looks very, very nice. I would have this one if this was my car. So parking is also easy with this car because you have the front camera, rear camera, you have this 3D view, and also look at this. Isn't this cool? So we are driving in the garage and looking at our car like you're playing the game. So cool. Of course, this feature is only available on low speeds because I think a lot of people would get carried away and look at this screen and not the actual front, not in front of you. So, but, and also look at what can you do? You can look at your car from each angle you want. Look at this. So nice. Alright guys, so that was it, the review and quick look at this brand new A7. I hope you liked the video. I certainly did like the car, and yeah, so make sure you subscribe to the channel to see a lot of more videos like this. Bye.